Here's a challenging move for the abdominals. Sit on a stability ball, walk yourself forward until your shoulders are at the edge of the ball, and place your hand behind you for extra support. Feet are hip width apart. Take one hand behind the head, lift the opposite knee up. Now crunch like an oblique twist, and then lay back as you stretch your leg out. Squeeze, lift, and reach. You're gonna go for 15 reps on that side, and then switch to the other side. For more ab sculpting moves, check out health.com.